In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Zoho Meeting. First, open your email inbox, the one where you normally receive meeting invitations. Look for the message sent by your meeting organizer. Inside that email, you'll see a clear Join Meeting button or link. This email is your quickest route into the session because it already contains the meeting's unique details, so you don't have to type anything in or search by code. Click Join Meeting. Your browser will open the Zoho Meeting page and begin preparing your connection. If your device asks for permission to use the microphone or camera, choose Allow so others can hear or see you when you're ready. If you're not comfortable sharing video, don't worry, you can keep the camera off and still participate fully through audio. If you prefer working directly in the Zoho Meeting app instead of the email link, open the Zoho Meeting application on your computer or mobile device, or sign in on the web. The app gives you a familiar home screen and quick controls, which can be especially handy if you jump into meetings often. From the home screen, select Meet Now. This starts an instant session right away, perfect for quick check-ins or when you don't have a scheduled invite handy. You'll land on the pre-join area where you can confirm how you want to connect. Here, you'll see options for audio conferencing and video conferencing. Audio conferencing joins you with your microphone only, keeping your camera off by default. This is great for low bandwidth connections, background multitasking, or audio-first discussions. Video conferencing, on the other hand, turns on your camera so attendees can see you, which helps with engagement and clarity during demos or collaborative work. For this walkthrough, choose Audio Conferencing. Before you continue, double-check your microphone and speaker settings. Make sure the correct devices are selected, and consider joining muted to avoid background noise as you enter. If you're using a headset, plug it in beforehand so the app can detect it, and look for the audio level indicator to confirm your mic is picking up sound. Once you're in, you may want to bring others into the session. The simplest method is to copy the meeting link. Click Copy Meeting Link and the URL will be placed on your clipboard, ready to paste into a chat, text, or calendar event. Share the link only with people who should attend and avoid posting it publicly to prevent uninvited guests. If you send the link to yourself, you can also open it on another device if you switch locations. You can also invite participants directly by email from within Zoho Meeting. Click Invite Members via Mail and type the recipient's email addresses carefully so the invitations arrive without delay. Add a short note if you want to provide an agenda or context, which helps attendees know what to expect. When you're ready, click Invite to send those emails. Recipients will receive a message with a Join button, just like the one you used earlier, and they can hop in with a single click. If someone says they didn't receive it, have them check their spam or promotions folder and then resend the invite. That's the entire flow. Open your email, join from the link, or launch the Zoho Meeting app, start an instant session with Meet Now, decide between audio only or full video, and share the meeting by copying the link or inviting people by email. For the smoothest experience, test your mic and camera beforehand, keep your app up to date, and use a stable internet connection. You're now ready to join Zoho Meeting confidently and get straight to the work that matters.